Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Moto G67, and today I will show you how we can insert SIM card into this device. So for this you'll need to grab a SIM eject tool similar to this one, which will come provided with the device in the box, but if you can't find it you could potentially use a paperclip, straighten out one of the ends, and as long as it doesn't have that plastic wrapping, which if it does you can cut off, it should work just as well. So once you have either one of those, you can then pop out the tray, which is located on the upper left side of the device, so you can see it right here. Grab the tool and find this tiny little pinhole and push the pin in there. When you do, you can see that the tray pops out enough for you to pull it out. Now it looks like this tray actually takes SIM and SD card, so let me just bring one in here. There we go. So the bigger portion of the tray can either use a SD card or SIM card, as you can use one or the other. So if you're planning to use a SIM card, you would place it sideways. Oh no, wait, never mind, sorry. I got kind of confused by this. So no, it doesn't actually give you the ability to put two SIM cards. Sorry for that. So it's only a single SIM card in here, which is the smaller tray, and the bigger one is dedicated for the SD card, and I do mean dedicated, as there's nothing else it can do. Now make sure that the cards are clipped in place correctly. So you can see these are almost perfectly. They shouldn't be falling out definitely if you flip it upside down. But for me, this SD card right here has a little bit too much edge. So I'll try to position even better. Come on. Ah, there we go. And now it's completely flush on the tray. So from there, insert it back into your device. And you can see these cards are working immediately. So it's prompting me right now to confirm my SIM card pin. And this will unlock it. Now this is just a pin for the phone. And SD card should, yep, there we go, work as well, which I just saw, there we go, notification for it. So it is detecting it as well. So that's about it. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.